This is one of the introductory videos of the Network Field Technician course. Since this course is for those with zero knowledge or experience on networking, I have to just do a quick check to be sure you know what a network is before we jump into the meat of the course. And specifically, we're talking about computer networks, because obviously that term network can mean other things. A network is a collection of devices connected for the purpose of interacting or sharing information. The ways in which the devices are connected can be pretty simple or very complex. Mostly, when we think of computer networks, we're thinking of end-user computers. End-user is a term that describes the person who's working at the computer. But today, networks are connected in a much more complex way, other than just end-user computer terminals. Have you ever heard the phrase Internet of Things? So many devices are networked today. Building automation systems, point-of-sale machines, credit card terminals, multifunction printers, and so much more. It's getting to where just about anything that can be connected to the network is being converted in that direction. So, my point here is just to get you to realize that networks are so much more than just computers that people sit in front of. And that's why this is such an exciting time to be in the networking business. If I was going to give you just the most basic explanation of the components of a local area network, and I have to mention that phrase local area because there are other kinds of networks which we'll get into later. The local area network usually refers to a network within one building. Anyway, the basic components would be a router, a switch, the structured cabling that connects all the endpoints and components, or in many cases now, Wi-Fi is replacing the structured cabling as an alternative means for connecting the endpoints. And then finally, the endpoints themselves, which again could be end-user computers, multifunction printers, copiers, Internet of Things, devices such as sensors, factory conveyor belt controllers, cameras, building automation, and the list just goes on and on. And that seems pretty simple, right? Until it isn't. But hey, don't let this scare you. I'm going to show you how to make sense of this spaghetti mess. Slowly but surely, on to the next.